another exciting episode on skincare. My name is Sharifa, and as you're watching, please don't forget to hit the bell for notification and subscribe if you haven't, and leave the comment under the comment section down below for more conversation. Please, let's get into the purpose of this video. So the first two ingredients that we are going to use, one is facial and body healing clay. I recorded a video about it, you can check under my videos. Then we are going to get another, this is charcoal, black charcoal activated carbon powder. If you have ulcers, you can also use it. Yeah, so get a clean bowl. Yeah, majorly you need a plastic one, and also get water for mixing. So the next step is to get your tablespoon. Measure 1 tablespoon of charcoal. Make sure it is full. Then get your facial and body healing clay. Also measure 1 tablespoon of the healing clay. Then also get your water. Yeah, pour enough so that you can start mixing it. So start stirring, you stir, looking for a smooth paste. Make sure that you stir it very well. Very well. Keep stirring, stir until you get that smooth paste. Then after adding another 1 tablespoon of our Nutromin facial and body healing clay. I really love this clay because it does magic. Again, start stirring, stir until you get that clear, smooth paste. So I think now our face pack is ready. So it is time to apply it onto our clean face. Now the next step is to apply onto our skin, and always first make sure that your skin is clean. Then you can start applying your mask. So now I'm going to leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can wash it off. And don't forget to moisturize. You can see it has started drying up. So after 15 minutes, don't forget to use your best moisturizer. I always use aloe vera gel. See you soon. Hope you've enjoyed as much as I did. Let's get in touch. Until next time.